Good morning. I am overly excited for the project that the boys and I are going to be doing today. This is something I've wanted to do for a long time, so we're finally doing it. We are lining our entire driveway on the right and the left side every couple of feet with daffodils so that in the spring it'll bloom and be beautiful. I'm not gonna lie, I totally stole this idea from a farm down the road. Their driveway is probably 3 times the length of ours and they have the entire thing lined with daffodils. And in the early spring when it blooms, it is just absolutely stunning. So I wanted to do the same thing. So James bought me 200 daffodil bulbs. These are yellow daffodils. We got them off Amazon. I'll put the link in the description because they were significantly cheaper on Amazon for 200 bulbs because we got 2 packs than they were in any of the stores around us. And I'm surprised at how big they were. I was afraid because they were so cheap that when we got these bulbs that they would be itty bitty, but no, these things are huge. So anyway, that's enough of me talking. Let's get to it. This right here is what I'm going to be using to bury our bulbs. I've used this on our entire farm and we've got lots of bulbs that I've already planted over the past couple of years and it works great. The only thing is sometimes the dirt gets stuck in there because we've got clay. So I always bring a hammer with me and kind of shove the bottom of the hammer down into that hole to get the dirt out when it gets stuck. But otherwise, this is what I use. You just stick this in the ground, you push down it with your foot, it cuts a perfect hole, you stick the bulb down in there and you put the dirt piece back on top. So it's really simple. So we're going to get started. I'm probably going to space these out every 3 feet. I think, going up the driveway. So, I don't know, I'm not gonna measure, I'm just gonna guess. And in case this thing doesn't get into the hard ground, I've got this. We can hook it up to a drill and actually drill our holes. So hopefully we can get that into the ground though, because it did not rain for the prior 6 weeks, but it just rained yesterday. So I'm hoping the ground's a little bit softer. Well, that's a hard no. I was jumping on that thing with all my weight as hard as I could, and all we got was like an inch into the ground. So I'm gonna go get the drill. We're using this guy. Locked and loaded, and let me tell you, this is the way to do it. It's so easy. Ta-da! And then you just put your bulb in. You want this side right here with all the roots to go down, the pointy top to face up, because that's where your sprout's gonna come from. One down, 99 more to go on just this side. Involve those kiddos if you can. Levi did a great job of putting the bulbs in the holes for me. So far, so good. We're doing absolutely fantastic. I dig the hole, Levi puts the bulb in there, and then he pushes the dirt back on top, and then he, because he wants to do this, hits the dirt with the hammer to make sure it's all packed back in. Good job. So we got a nice little system going. So we've got from here to here done. Now we just have to do every bit of that all the way out to our mailbox. And I will say, just for reference, for length, I'm not measuring anything, but I'm doing 3 foot lengths. So I've got 1, 2, 3, and that's where I'm placing the next bulb right there. So even though I'm not measuring, they should end up pretty even. And the battery died, so I had to head back to the garage to grab a charged one. Oh my gosh, I am wore out. It's not hard to drill the holes, but it is exhausting just constantly being bent over like that. And because I am drilling into such hard ground with all the clay and rock that we have here, I'm really pushing hard on that drill. Oh, my arms feel it. Anyway, so from the house, we got this whole side done to right here. So we only need to go a couple more feet to this edge here. This part of our driveway, it has like this rounded out section. I wasn't gonna put any there. I will if there's leftover, but I just wanted to get it to this corner. So I got probably 2 more to put there. But the problem is, my batteries are dead. Every single one of them. We've gone through 4 fully charged DeWalt batteries to get just this side done. I didn't realize it was going to take so much battery juice, but oh well, making progress. I got a recharged battery. It's not all the way charged, but it'll work. So let's get these last 2 bulbs planted to finish this whole side, and then we'll go get my oldest son from school. Oh, this is just going to be beautiful. Picture it, daffodils lining the whole driveway on both sides, bright yellow, blooming in the spring. So this is where I ended it, right there where this big rock is. I left that there to mark it, so hopefully none of my kids move it. So that way, if I do end up having some extra when we're done, I can finish lining this small section here to the driveway and round that out with flowers as well. So done for now. I will do the other side here later today or this weekend, and then it'll be done. It is so windy today, but I got all the stuff out. I'm going to work on planting more of these bulbs. Let's go. We got it done. The entire driveway that you see behind me on each side is completely planted with yellow daffodil bulbs. They're about every 2.5 feet. And when it blooms in early spring, it's going to be absolutely stunning. And when springtime comes around, I will update you guys and post another video on what it looks like with all the flowers blooming. Thanks for watching.